Good morning, sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a good day. Welcome back to another video from Captain Manny. You guys already know. Today's video, guys, we're just gonna do a quick video. We're gonna put some jacks next to the welder. That's right, some jack stands. So beautiful day today here in North Dakota. As you can see here, it's nice outside. So we're just gonna fire up the machine and get going. All right. All right, guys. So in today's video, what we're gonna try to do is gonna put some jacks. As you can see here, we have some 4 jack stands. That's right. So we have 4 jack stands, guys, and we're gonna try to put them right here next to the welder. You might be thinking, well, Manny, the door opens like this, you know, front. How are you gonna put the jacks? You know, I wanna put them right here. You're not gonna be able to open the door. You know, there's an easy solution, guys. We have these pins right here, 1/4 pin. I bought them, believe it or not, at Napa. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Just gonna put the pins right here, replace all 3, boom, and then put the jack stands right. So they just go like there. You know, we're switching those, the factory ones. There's 3 of them. So when we need to, instead of flipping the door now, we're just gonna take these ones off, and the door will come off, and we'll be able to access, you know. So there's 4 jack stands, guys. So we're gonna use, it's gonna be this piece of metal right here, this rod. We're just gonna put it in our location where we want it and weld it. All right. Just make sure it doesn't hit the jack stand doesn't hit the welder. You know, put them like that one right there. It looks good, I think. Not gonna hit it, you know, when we're on the road. And then what we're gonna do is put these ones right and there. Boom. Get them in the ass. That's right. And that should be good. Hold them up. All right. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. Let's get it done. Alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today. So we got the jack stands, we changed the pins on the door of the welder. Really simple stuff, but you know, save space and, you know, easy tip for you guys if you want to use it. Alright, so stay safe out there, guys, and see you next time. Bye.
Alright, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You just hit the red icon under this video. Also, if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, make sure you hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. If you like this video, guys, make sure you hit like, and if you guys like to share this video, I will appreciate it. Alright, adios.